Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is a Vans off the wall. This is old school checker shoes. This is authentic checkerboard. This is size 9. My son got this as a gift for Christmas, so I'm doing this unboxing for you guys to check it out. And then there's a size chart right here. So let's go ahead and then pop this open. You can see the Vans tag right here. There's a size label right there, size 9. And the bottom sole is a gum pack. Honeycomb with a diamond cut. Then this is the other one. Come with this decal or sticker. Normally it's a black and white checker board, but somehow this one is pretty unique and different. This one is burgundy with the white or off-white actually, because it's kind of like a beige creamy color. So anyway, this is my quick unboxing for this Vans checkerboard shoes. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, or if you're new to the channel. Please drop any other comments on below and share this with your friend, family on social media, and be sure to turn on that bell for notification. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.